Still searching for a tool that makes remodeling easier? The quad saw might be the reason people are obsessed with upgrading their spaces. This clever device acts like a boosted box cutter that attaches directly to a drill, allowing you to create perfect rectangular or square openings for outlets, switches, and other fixtures. The manufacturer claims it works 4 times faster, giving you clean results right from the first cut. Its blade includes adjustable depth settings and lasts for about 280 cuts on drywall up to 3.4 centimeters thick. You'll also notice far less mess while working. And if you want everything dust-free, you can hook the tool to a vacuum system with a simple adapter. Next on our list is a pneumatic post driver, a tool that really earns its place on pasture lands and farm areas where marking boundaries is essential. Several versions are on the market, and this particular model delivers up to 75 strokes per minute, weighs around 15 kilograms, and works with a maximum pressure of 5.5 bar. Its standard adapter fits round posts up to 6 centimeters, while additional adapters let you handle square or uniquely shaped posts with ease. What's interesting is how users often point out that although the technology is impressive, it's funny to see how far people will go to skip tough physical work. Some even argue it's quicker to hit the gym and do the job manually. The worldwide power tool industry is expected to hit $35.13 billion by 2029. And a major reason behind that rise is the strong demand for portable, adaptable, and space-saving power tools. Many brands are already developing solutions in that direction. For example, check out this clever add-on that transforms an ordinary cordless drill into a functioning pump. It delivers a flow rate of 3 liters per minute at 1,200 RPM, and its hoses are built from chemical-resistant polymers designed to handle tough situations, including pumping motor oil for extended periods. With 1-meter-long hoses, you get plenty of reach to work smoothly and without hassle. People ship all kinds of unusual items through the mail these days, so it's always smart to stay cautious when opening a package. You never truly know what might be tucked inside, and that's exactly where this tool comes in handy. Here, we have a cutter designed for quick, clean, and efficient work. It offers a 6.5mm cutting width, and the blade handles stretch wrap, cardboard, plastic straps, and adhesive tape with ease. It's also useful for light repairs, since it can slice through flooring as well. The build is both practical and safe, with only a tiny portion of the blade exposed, and it can be swapped out without needing any additional tools. Weighing just 52 grams, making it convenient enough to grab a few extras and share them with your co-workers. Can certain jobs really be completed in minutes rather than hours? According to the creators of the Rapid Drill system, the answer is a confident yes. The key is the specially engineered frame that securely holds the drill in place. It's comfortable, simple to operate, and provides roughly 450 kilograms of extra leverage. On top of that, the drill bits last longer thanks to the system's optimal working angle. This setup becomes a valuable tool for a wide range of trades, from auto technicians to metal fabricators, and it's already fully patented. You can check the website for a detailed list of compatible drills so you can pick the one that fits your needs best. On average, a regular porcelain tile that covers about 1 square meter and has a thickness of roughly 9 millimeters weighs around 19 to 20 kilograms. And while that already feels hefty, materials like granite can be even more demanding. That's where this suction cup and frame setup steps in, making leveling and corking far easier. It performs reliably even on uneven surfaces, and can adjust the pressure automatically when needed. The suction cups can also be detached and used on their own. For reference, a single Nemo Grabo suction cup is capable of lifting an impressive 170 kilograms of ceramic or glass. A seriously powerful grip. Werner is widely recognized as the worldwide leader in producing ladders and height safety equipment. The brand even claims that its ladders are used on construction sites more than all other ladder brands combined. Now let's take a look at the Aero series. These fiberglass ladders are designed to be lightweight without sacrificing strength. They're 25% lighter than typical models, yet they remain just as reliable. The 5-meter version comes in at 14 kilograms and supports up to 170 kilograms. You can also find options that stretch all the way to 10 meters. Electricians especially appreciate them thanks to their non-conductive build. People regularly end up needing to haul awkward, but not necessarily heavy items, things like small ladders, gas cylinders, or chipboard, without anyone around to help. That's exactly where the lift lender hook becomes useful. It's a straightforward, patented little gadget designed to make moving those items easier while also cutting down your chances of straining yourself or getting injured. The tool itself is made of durable plastic, weighs less than 300 grams, and works surprisingly well for other jobs, like when you need to raise furniture while cleaning or when you're doing gutter upkeep. So it's not limited to construction workers, it's genuinely a smart, practical upgrade for any home toolbox. This spreader really earns its place throughout the entire year. When spring arrives, it handles seeds with ease. During summer, it smoothly distributes fertilizer. And once winter hits, it becomes your reliable tool for spreading salt. Its designers even patented a unique disc capable of covering up to 6 meters in width. They also made sure comfort wasn't overlooked, because even when you load it with 16 kilograms, the adjustable strap setup helps it feel surprisingly manageable, and if turning a crank isn't your thing, there's a battery-powered model for 250 that pushes the range to roughly 8 meters. The Japanese brand Ryobi has introduced a battery-driven bolt cutter designed to take the place of traditional hand-operated ones. It runs on the familiar 18-volt 1 Plus batteries that power more than 280 Ryobi devices. This cutter delivers roughly 200 cuts per charge on materials up to 10 millimeters thick, while giving you a clear view of the cutting area and offering separate forward and reverse controls. If a worker slips up, there's an answer for that too. With this device, even Y-shaped posts can be pulled out without causing any harm. It's not powered, so they'll rely on foot pressure to make it work. You can pick from 2 builds, standard or heavy duty, designed specifically for tougher ground like stubborn clay. The only twist is that the price is given only on request. So tell me, what would you be willing to spend? Next on the list is stripping different coatings by using induction heating. Simply put, an alternating magnetic field is applied. This field warms up conductive surfaces, making it easier to pull them away from their coatings. It works well on vinyl and even on Chartek X7 epoxy, which is designed to protect against hydrocarbon fires. Fine adjustments to the active zone allow for both faster progress and cleaner accuracy. On top of that, this method deals with stubborn issues like seized screws, taking out bearings, and even correcting dents. It proves useful for a variety of professionals, from plumbers all the way to mechanics. Here's another fresh option made specifically for tile professionals. A compact vibrating plate built to take on demanding jobs. This cordless Italian machine can manage around 200 square meters on a single battery cycle. It's designed for comfort, offering 3 switchable handles, so you can operate it with one hand or both. The rubberized plate won't leave any traces on the surface, and the high vibration rate lets you handle tiles that include holes or shaped sections without worry. Next comes another handy upgrade for your drill, and this one is a plate cutting attachment. The maker suggests pairing it with a 12 to 21 volt drill and notes that it works with nearly every model within that power range. Its core material is high manganese steel, and it slices through any millimeter-thick steel sheet with ease once you complete the straightforward setup. The installation tool is already included, and the attachment is designed to save both time and energy, just as the product description promises. While some folks prepare for a future trip to Mars, others are busy reinventing the classic hammer. And while that space adventure might still be years away, this upgraded tool is already available on shelves for just $20. This isn't your usual hammer. It's a full-on multi-tool. It works as a square nail puller, a hex driver, a ruler, and even a bottle opener. Beyond its versatility, it's built tough too, featuring 3 strike plates. Weighing 400 grams and crafted with smart design, it won't take up extra space. Here's a tool that actually earned an award at the biggest agricultural show in the Southern Hemisphere. This compact trencher is built to make life a lot easier for anyone installing pipes, electrical or network cables, drainage lines, and similar systems where both time and space are limited. One person can dig a trench as deep as 750 millimeters without scattering soil all over the site. The maker claims the possibilities are endless. Still, not everyone is convinced. Viewers point out that this trencher struggles on soil that's overly dry or extremely hard, and the cost isn't exactly budget-friendly. $2,900 for the trencher by itself, and $5,900 if you want the package, including the dolly. Here we are in the end. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.